Hi, I'm celebrity menswear stylist Ashley Weston. So, this is a sneaker. This is also a sneaker. Obviously, sneakers as a category have a wide range of choices out there. Some good, but most, in my opinion, are pretty bad. So today, I want to go beyond the minimal low-top leather sneaker that all men should have and show you some of the other sneakers I'm loving right now, as well as discuss some things to look out for when choosing a new stylish pair of sneakers. This year, the trend is definitely leaning toward an update on the classics, and I'm excited to see a lot of new stylish options emerge as a result. First up, let's start with a super classic that has been constantly reinvented. This is the Nike Air Max 90. They have been around for a long time, for good reason, but I especially love them for the following 3 reasons. The silhouette is sleeker and less chunky than other sneaker options. Notice the sloping here? Now compare it to the Air Force Ones. See how it's chunkier and thicker at the toe box? This is what I mean when I say the Air Maxes are sleeker. Now, unless you're specifically going for a chunky shoe look, I'd avoid them for this reason. And especially avoid them if you're short or are heavyset, because it'll just make your whole appearance bulky, which definitely you want to avoid. Reason 2, as a owner of them myself, the Max Air cushioning is really damn comfortable. And reason number 3, they come in a variety of colors and fabrics. So these suede special editions are definitely a good choice if you want something a little more unique. Now, if this version is just too flashy for you, then definitely check out the classic black and white or simple white versions. I also really like the wolf gray color too if you're looking for something in the middle. I've linked all of these shoes in the description, so check it out. Speaking of vintage classics, I've been talking about this brand for years now, and they just came out with something I'm really loving, which is why I'm glad they're today's sponsor, because I was going to feature their new release anyways. If you're looking for a classic high top with a sleek silhouette like I talked about earlier, then look no further than the Koyo Court Chalk Perforated Distressed and the Court Cool Distressed options. The Court is made in Italy with a supple leather upper, organic cotton lining, and set on a rubber sole that's distressed by hand to give each pair a unique vintage look. I really love the suede detailing on the top here, as well as on the back of the chalk perforated quartz. And I also love the minimal logo as well. Now chuck these on with some fitted jeans and a t-shirt and bomber, and they're gonna look fantastic. I especially love the hand-painted edges, and while I don't always advocate for a distressed look, I think these toe the line between looking fresh and brand new and more unique and vintage. As you can see, the distressing is super minimal, but since the distressing is all done by hand, each pair is totally unique. They come in chalk, coal, and a chalk perforated option. So if you're looking for something unique and comfortable at a great price point, definitely grab a Koyo Court high top sneaker. See the links and a special limited time offer code in the description to grab a nice discount on your Koyo Court high top sneakers. Continuing the throwback theme this year, if you remember the late 80s and 90s basketball sneakers, you probably remember something like the New Balance 550s. I love them because they've got a sleek silhouette and are simple and clean, but not overbuilt. They come in a variety of colors, including some special editions. So if you're looking for a tribute to 90s basketballers and streetwear of the time, definitely grab some of these. And next up, we have a more simple, classic low top by one of my favorite brands, Koyo. These are different than the classic capris, which I've been recommending for years now, in that they are a deck style shoe that's made out of canvas. I like how they took the standard deck shoe silhouette and just added a little extra touch to them with the leather detailing around the top and back. And like all of their shoes, they're super comfortable, made of high quality materials, but at a great price point. My favorites are definitely the Portofino Mist and the Portofino Onyx. See the links and a special limited time offer code in the description to grab a great discount on your Koyo Portofinos. If you're looking for something sporty, but also great looking, with a lot of cool color options, look no further than the Adidas ZX 2K Boost. They have a Boost midsole with partial TPU cage, so they're super comfortable, and They have over 20 different colorways to choose from. I'm definitely partial to these with the smoky see-through accent, but you also can't go wrong with the triple white and see-through rubber detailing. As you can see, there's a boatload of options available in these, which is why I would highly recommend them. This next shoe is about as retro classic as you're going to get, and triply so if you want a lot of variety in style and colors. I'm talking about the Nike Blazer Low 77s. These are the old school hoop sneakers that sport a classic minimal design, and as you can hopefully tell by now, I'm a big fan of the low profile silhouette. Now, this might be weird, but I also like the exposed foam of the tongue for some reason. So I really love these ones in particular with the paint splatter on the upper. It just gives it a one-of-a-kind feel, and you can add an interesting element to your casual outfits through this sneaker. Now, if paint splatter isn't your thing, no worries, because they also come in a variety of colors. I would just avoid the gum soles though, because it's just kind of blah and detracts from an outfit. So just avoid those. And there we go. Those are my favorite sneakers for 2021. Thanks so much. See you in the next one. Bye.